All right, guys, mail call. I got a bunch of goodies from RC Crawler Craze. I got the new chassis for the Redcat 32 Ascent. So that'll have the capable of the bigger fitting servo. I also got the wheels that you put with the Enduro 1-inch brass fittings with the original OEM tires to put some weight in. So I'm going to do that first. I'm still going to be waiting on parts for this part. So yeah, this is a work in progress. But yeah, I'm going to put this on and try her out. All right, guys, the tires are looking good. But just want to show you guys the difference between weight comparison. The stock tire is 0.2 ounce. And then the new tires 0.7, so you got 0.5 added, half an ounce added weight per tire. I will this truck has got all the Endura parts that are available, so I will be, once I put this together, I do have a OEM one stock. We'll do the weight differential with my corner weight system by Sky RC, and we'll see the differences. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I've got two of the Redcat Ascent 32s. This one is completely jacked up with hop-ups. This one is completely brand new out of the box. You can see how the shocks are bouncy, whereas the Endura shocks that you can get, solid. I have we're going to do a weight test. We're going to start with the stock. So let's put this and set this up correctly to register. So here's your weight differential of a stock. You got 56% up front, 44 in the back, 53 and 47 weight differential. So it's almost evenly distributed, which is not bad. All right, guys, now we're going to do the hopped up version. Let's put her on the scales. So 57% to 43. This is about the same level wise, pretty good there. Again, if you want to see the difference, if we go like this, and then I just did the screen print here, so you can see the differences. So stock total weight is 147. I have the one with all the hop-ups at 146.7. So a considerable amount of weight added, exactly 100 grams, if you will. So yeah, now we got to take it on the rocks and see how they each one perform. All right, guys, we're going to take the stock Redcat Ascent 32 first. We're just going to do an easy up, and then once we get up, if we can, then we're going to do the one that's all pimped out, and we'll see which one performs better. I think we know what's going to be going on there, guys, but let's try it. All right, first run with a stock. Bare bones. It gets over the hurdle. And there, hurdle 1 is done. All right, a good start. And we're going to pick our line, which is going to be the right side after this little rock. Usually gets hung up there. All right, now we're going to see if it can get up this section, because this is the hard section, especially for the stock one. Alright, take 2 on this hill. I know he can get up. I have a feeling he can. Just gotta take it a lot slower. And there it is. He got up. One with all the upgrades. And you can see it doesn't bounce half as much as the stock. And just gets... Wow. You would think. And there we go. Well, that was interesting. Had a little issue. Bad line, I guess, for me. I do have a chassis kit coming for both of these. And a brushless system coming eventually. And that's where it usually hooks up. Alright, now we're gonna see if it can get up the hill a lot easier than the other guy. That's not the same line. Let's try it again. Here's the same line. There it is. Just needs to find a hookup spot. And there it is, guys. It made it up. The bigger vehicles can articulate. So we'll come down here and we'll try to hit this groove right here, this little channel, and see how well it does. And not bad. Handle it very well. You can see that chassis though is bouncing, and that's because of the suspension. It's a bouncy suspension, and when you get stuck it usually just tips. There we go. Get over the hurdle. Get up and over. Really easy. It's already starting to tip. Again, this truck is extremely light. It's actually gotten a lot further up than I thought it was going to. Strike one, because I got to do reverse. Let's do one more. See if we can get up it. Let's do a more aggressive and just approach here. See if we can. Yeah, we're not getting any traction, guys. And strike two. Alright, last but not least, we'll get out the big guns and see if he can make it. Gotta find some grip here on these tires. And for this little guy, that is a pretty good line. Alright. Alright guys, that's it. I hope you liked the video of showing the difference between a stock versus a upgraded Redcat Ascent 32. Again, thanks for watching, and if you like, hit that like and subscribe button. Until the next one, have a good day.